From the dust I was born, to the dirt I shall return.
So today for the first time we are in Kilimani. I hope you're going to enjoy the video.
From the dust I was born, to the dirt I shall return. When my eyes are closed, in the shadows, my enemies will think they won, but I'm here to stay. Destiny will overcome. No, I am not afraid. Like a phoenix in the night, my soul rise. From the darkness to the light.
Hello everybody, welcome back to Eve's Stories. Thank you for joining us today. Thank you for the support for the new subscribers and the old subscribers. We are just left with 50 subscribers to get to 1,000 subscribers.
Shadows, my
Enjoy the video.
eyes are closed. In the shadows, my enemies will think they won, but I'm here to stay.
So in today's video, I will be showcasing a one-bedroom apartment tour.
Destiny will overcome. No, I am not afraid. Like a phoenix in the night, my soul rise. From the darkness to the light, I feel alive. I'm a fire burning bright, I'll never die.
So it's an Airbnb. It's a fully furnished apartment. The location of the house is in Kilimani. So if you want to stay here, there's nothing you have to buy.
Night I will survive. Oh,
Yours is just to come and have a nice time.
I will survive.
So this is the dining set. And that's the view of your living room. So it's an open kitchen, but the house is very spacious. You can basically see the difference between the sitting room and the kitchen. So from here, the kitchen is on the left, then on the right is the bedroom. So you have a fridge, a microwave.
From the dust I was born, to the dirt I shall return. When my eyes are closed, in the shadows, my enemies will think they won, but I'm here to stay. Destiny will overcome. No, I am not afraid. Like a phoenix in the night, my soul rise. From the darkness to the light, I feel alive. I'm a fire burning bright, I'll never die. Like a phoenix.
What I love about what has been done on this space is the extra storage
All the pain, all the hurt.
below the sink. So this is the sink and this is the extra storage that has been provided for you.
All the lessons I have learned, I am stronger now. I won't let me down. Oh, my enemies will think they won, but I'm here to stay. Destiny will overcome. No, I am not afraid. Like a phoenix in the night, my soul rise. From the dark.
So next First, let's look at this washroom. So the washroom has separated glass bathroom.
My enemies will think they won, but I'm here to stay. Destiny will overcome.
So this is inside the glass bathroom.
Hurt all the lessons I have learned. I am stronger now. I won't let me down.
The house is found in Kilimani.
Stronger now. I won't let me down.
So this is the whole space of your washroom.
Oh no, my enemies will think they won, but I'm here to stay. Destiny will overcome. No, I am not afraid. Like a phoenix in the night, my soul.
And finally, let's go to the bedroom. So I was taking the video at night. That's why you can see there is darkness outside.
I have learned I am stronger now.
So the bedroom and the kitchen are connected to the balcony. So you can enter the kitchen through your balcony and you can also enter your bedroom through your balcony.
All the hurt, all the lessons I have learned. I am stronger now. I won't let me down. Oh, my enemies will think they won, but I'm here to.
So this is a 5x6 bed with a very comfortable mattress.
I'm here to stay. Destiny will overcome. No, I am not afraid. Like a phoenix in the night, my soul will rise. From the darkness to the light, I feel alive.
So where I'm standing is the balcony, and as you can see, the space that I was talking about that leads you to the kitchen.
I was born to the dirt, I shall return when my eyes are closed. In the shadows, my enemies will think they won, but
So the location of this house is in Kilimani. It's an Airbnb that contains a servant's quarter.
in the shadows, my
And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment and hit the subscription button as we are headed to 1,000 subscribers. Bye bye. See you in the next video.
enemies will think they